I heard you express anger when my dear lady, our clerk, mentioned the SRC. I want to assure you members that this morning, the reason we came a little late, I was having a meeting with SRC on your behalf. And we have called them to order on a few things. And we believe that before we finish this induction workshop, I'll be able to make several pronouncements on your privileges and your other desired facilities for you to do your work. I can assure you, members, there is a book I read by an Irish priest with a title, "It is not always like this." So it's not going to be always like this. Things will be okay. We live incrementally. We don't live by reduction. Nobody in their right frame of mind will interfere with your car allowances, with your mileage reimbursements, and with your mortgage and everything else that you have been having, because that is your entitlement. And as your speaker, I'll ensure that we engage positively, and we have advised SRC that they are not frustrators but facilitators of members of parliament to do their work well. So Sarah Kioka, our clerk, just suffered what in law we call transferred malice. You aimed your malice at her when it's supposed to go elsewhere. But all is well, members. We can assure you that nothing will change, and if anything changes, it will not be substantial.